Hello everyone. As a commitment to safety, Airbus Helicopters presents a video to the attention of flight instructors who conduct a simulated hydraulic failure during an in-flight training on an AS350 series equipped with the single hydraulic system. This video displays a training performed on an AS350-B3 variant. But the two steps of the procedure are applicable to all AS350 variants. First of all, let's clarify the difference between hydraulic failure procedure and the hydraulic failure training procedure. The hydraulic failure is described in Section 3, Emergency Procedures of the Flight Manual, while the hydraulic failure training procedure is described in Supplement 7 of the same Flight Manual. Supplement 7 is dedicated to the flight instructors and explains how to simulate the hydraulic failure and how to train for the hydraulic failure. Flight instructors can therefore understand what they have to do, why, and when. The detailed description of the procedure to apply is in paragraph 4 of Supplement 7. The procedure is composed of two main steps. The first step consists of the failure simulation, concerning the instructor only. The second step is the failure procedure completion, to be done by the trainee, closely monitored by the instructor. Instructors should be properly trained and with recent experience to perform this exercise with trainee. The flight instructor simulates the hydraulic failure training procedure. Set the helicopter in steady cruise flight and check that everything is secured. Ask your trainee if he or she is ready.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay.
Step 1. Simulation. In steady cruise flight conditions, the instructor actuates the AccuTest push button from the system control unit and checks the hydraulic light flashes plus the oral gong sounds. When the hydraulic lights up, the trainee sets and maintains angle of bank below 30 degrees. Avoid abrupt maneuvers and set airspeed to hydraulic failure safety speed between 40 and 60 knots indicated airspeed. Once hydraulic failure safety speed is established, the instructor resets AccuTest to off, checks the AccuTest light is off, and checks hydraulic light goes off within 3 seconds. Please take note that hydraulic assistance can be restored at any time during the simulation by resetting AccuTest to off. Step 2. Procedure completion. The trainee checks that airspeed is set between 40 and 60 knots. When ready for significant cyclic and collective controls loads increase, the trainee sets the hydraulic cutoff switch on the right-hand side collective grip to off, checks on the caution and warning panel the hydraulic red light is on, hears the gong, and feels the control loads increase. As control loads increase, be careful not to inadvertently move the twist grip out of flight position. The trainee completes the hydraulic failure emergency procedure by looking for a clear area so as to carry out a shallow approach and perform a running landing. The pilot has to exert forces on the collective, increase or decrease around the no-force feedback point, and on the cyclic, forward and left. After landing, the hydraulic cutoff switch is reset to on from the right-hand pilot collective grip to restore hydraulic assistance before subsequent takeoff or hovering flight. Check hydraulic red light goes off within 3 seconds. Do not. During Step 1 failure simulation, do not use hydraulic cutoff switch from collective control, especially at high indicated airspeed, as flight control loads will be abruptly high. Never actuate the hydraulic cutoff switch during simulation step. During Step 2 emergency procedure completion, never actuate the AccuTest push button during Step 2. Tail rotor load compensator assistance will be lost. Maneuvers. No sharp or abrupt maneuvers. Smooth maneuvers only. Do not bank more than 30 degrees during an actual or simulated hydraulic failure. Set and maintain angle of bank below 30 degrees. Running landing. Do not attempt to carry out hover flight or any low-speed maneuvers because the intensity and direction of the control feedback force will change rapidly. Warning: failure to comply may result in poor aircraft control and possible loss of control. Please take note that hydraulic assistance may be restored at any time during hydraulic failure procedure completion step by resetting the hydraulic cutoff switch to on, right-hand pilot collective grip. In such case, be prepared for a significant decrease of cyclic and collective control loads. By using the AccuTest push button, the flight instructor creates a very realistic situation comparable to the actual failure. Please keep in mind that this video was shot on an AS350-B3E and that switches and push buttons may be designed, located and labeled differently on other AS350 or AS550 variants. For further information, please refer to Supplement 7 of the dedicated variant flight manual. We truly hope that this video will help all AS350 flight instructors to conduct safe and efficient in-flight training. Thanks for your attention and fly safely.